Let's
go. Where we at, bro? What we doing? Show me.
What you mean?
What you got? What time is it, bro? Why you up?
Finna go D1 for Coach Moore. Let's go, Coach Moore. You feel me? Hey, y'all, bro. You feel me? Everybody come to Don. You feel me? We really putting that work in every day. Oh, mommy.
So then why'd you up?
We just went to
Why
three
are you
camp.
up?
Listen,
Why are you up?
Listen, I just went
Why
to
are
4
you up?
camps.
So why you up?
I'm really going
What time
D1.
is it, Brandon? Brandon. What time is it?
9:26.
Brandon.
What you mean? It's 9:26.
You
Look.
want your phone?
9:26.
Y'all want your phones?
It's 9:26.
Y'all want, matter of fact, guess what? Y'all don't even want your phones.
2:30 in the morning.
It's 2 what? Is you still lying? You still lying?
Welcome to Marie Dawson spam page. We on this. We on her. Yeah. But chill. You feel me? We on here with the spam page. You feel? So what's your spam page now? You gonna be like Marie Dawson spam?
No, it's gonna be Kyle Marie's Entertainment, man.
We on Marie's entertainment page. You feel me? We lit. My mama just threw a party. 2:00 in the morning. We
I
lit.
just got me a husband.
No, bro, stop playing with me, bro.
I just got me a
Bro,
husband.
listen, my mama, you feel me? I had to make sure that she was home safe. You feel me?
Nah, quit perping, bro.
I had to make sure she was home baby, because I be having dreams.
Quit
You feel me?
He be perping out
You
here.
feel me? I love my mama. You
Bro,
feel me? I had
quit.
to make sure she
Bro,
was home.
don't be putting that shit
come
on
on,
me,
give me
bro.
a hug.
Nah,
give me a
bro.
hug. Look at
Nah, bro. He just, man, I got me a number today. He about to have a stepdaddy.
Mommy, I'm not. Stop playing with me.
Brandon, why you over there looking funky, bro? Looking straight funky. Look at Zach. He's in here looking funky. He got his titties
Call
out.
you Zach?
Look at him. He got to shake them titties, boy. Come on, bro.
Bro, why you got your stuff on 0.5, bro?
0.51, 6, 7.
That.
Do it, Brandon. Shake that butt. Shake that butt.
Do it, D. Dude, you got no friend. Hey, listen, y'all. This is my new dance. I call it the. Turbulence.
Hold on.
Hold on, listen.
I'm about to send y'all to this coach right now.
Listen.
Bye.